priority dito guys sa Canada ang pedestrian. So, yan ang tatandaan niya. Priority dito ang pedestrian. Now here. Ayan. So, malaki rin pala itong anong to. Malaki rin itong university na to. Ayan, siniset up natin dun sa venue nila yung ating mga dineliver na pagkain. Pero at least naman, kakain na lang sila. So, they just order 2 kinds of foods dahil konti lang naman sila. Then, after nito guys, we are going to deliver naman ng gabi. May order pa rin sila ng gabi. So, uuwi muna tayo, then magluluto. Then, babalik na naman tayo mamayang gabi for another delivery. So, ayan guys. So, this is Mother's Day. So, let's see what's gonna happen this Mother's Day. Buto na lang tinulungan ko siya na Ayan guys. So, naligaw kami 1 hour.
Yung punta natin eh.
Yes. So, ang hirap mag-deliver pag mga university. Kasi medyo maraming building. Pag hindi familiar sa mga building. So, ayan. So, it took us 1 hour to find this building. Nagkamali kami. Nakailang trial. So, tip. Talagang mas maganda yung you come early sa delivery. Like this one. So, I don't have an idea kung ano yun. So, ayan. We're going home na. And we have another catering. So, magluluto uli ako. Then, we're gonna deliver tonight sa concert naman ng kanilang event. Yan. So, ito kami sa elevator na. We're going down. So, ito yung university, guys, here in Waterloo. So, watch my video. You're gonna go in other places. Kasi ang inyong pong lingkod is medyo maraming pinupuntahan everyday. So, yung makakatour kayo dito sa around Ontario. Yan. So, here is the University, Laurier University of Waterloo. Ayan. So, we're going home na. Na-deliver na namin ang aming food na deliver today. So, guys, we are going to eat our lunch. So, we decided to eat lunch instead of going home kasi nag-crave ako ng black tea. Yes, nasa akin. So, we decided na kakain muna kami. Bibili muna kami ng black tea and we're going to find out where we're going to eat. Ayan. So, we are here in Waterloo chat time. Ang chat time. So, Waterloo. So, marami ditong kainan kasi maraming mga student dito. Ayan. 248 sila, oh. They are on promo. Probably next month, meron na rin kaming bubble tea business. So, ito ang bubble tea area. All time chat time. Yan. We're going. Dito ang anohan. Thai. So, we are going to sa Pad Thai daw kami kakain sa Thai foods. So, malapit lang siya. Ito naman ang Thai Express. So, we're going to eat at Thai Express. Ano to? Mother's Day. Ano na to? Treat? Oh. Oh, they are closed. My God. So, they are closed. Guys, nandito kami sa biglaang Mother's Day. So, i-scan lang daw itong menu. Ano to kami sa Chinese bowl. Kasi gusto namin sa Thai Express. Pero, close. Gusto rin namin sa Cajun chicken and seafood, pero close din. Tapos, ayan. Bumagsak pa yung dalawang milk tea. Lalagay dapat ni Louie sa car. Bumagsak. Ayan. Yun lang. And I'm going to order. I-scan ko lang. So, QR code. I-scan ko lang.
Ito yung in-order namin. Nag-order kami ng fried rice, fried chicken,
Click mo na ang order.
and yeah, pansit. So, yun lang aming in-order.
So, let's try their foods. We don't know kung magbibigay sila ng pinggan. May maliit na pinggan na kanila. Chinese food, chopstick. Hindi tayo marunong mag-chopstick. Hindi kami masyadong nag-order kasi masyadong marami yung serving niya since dadalawa lang kami. Masarap.
Gusto lang natin eh.
Actually, good for 3 person na to eh. 3 to 4 na. Nagko-konti yung kain. So, we just ordered. Okay, so we are done eating, tapos take out na lang namin. Tingnan mo, dami pang sobra. Isang puno ba dito yung sobra? So, yan na yung para sa dalawa, kay nanay at kay Ian. And ayan, bayad na kami. Bayad na kami guys, we are done. Uwi na kami. Yan, para makapagpahinga at magluluto. So, dito kami kumain guys. Hindi ko na napakita kanina sa The China Bowl. Yan. Kami kumain. Then, tawid kami dito. Ha? Di na? Tawid kami dito. Uwi na kami.